Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with hair that's dry, damaged, or prone to breakage, then you know how challenging it can be to find a shampoo that truly works. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to turn that around. Shu Uemura Art of Hair Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Shampoo. This luxurious shampoo is all about strengthening your strands and reducing breakage, leaving your hair deeply conditioned and nourished. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Shu Uemura's Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Shampoo is designed for all hair types, targeting those who are dealing with damage, split ends, and hair that needs a little extra TLC. It's infused with Japanese rice extract, which is known for its nourishing properties, packed with amino acids and vitamins to help rebuild the hair from the inside out. The shampoo's rich floral scent is another bonus. It's not overpowering, but it lingers enough to make you feel pampered. It's perfect for anyone looking for a deep cleanse without stripping the hair of its natural moisture. Now, let's talk about how it performed in real-world testing. I used this shampoo for several weeks, both in the morning and after workouts when my hair tends to get more tangled. The texture is thick and creamy, which feels luxurious right from the first pump. It lathers really well, creating a soft foam that's easy to work through the hair. When rinsing, it feels as though it's washing away all the stress from my hair. No more feeling dry or stripped after shampooing. As for the results, I noticed a definite difference in the softness and manageability of my hair. Even on the second day, my hair didn't feel as dry as it typically would without a leave-in conditioner. It's impressive how well it strengthened my strands, and especially around the ends where my hair tends to split more. After a few weeks, I also noticed less breakage overall, which, for someone with fine hair like me, is a big win. There are a few things to consider though. If you have naturally oily hair, you might want to alternate this shampoo with something lighter because it is quite hydrating. The floral scent is pleasant, but it may be too much if you prefer unscented or very subtle shampoos. Also, if you're used to budget-friendly hair care, the price point of Shu Uemura products can be a bit steep. That said, when it comes to high-end shampoos, I think it's fair to say you're paying for the quality of the ingredients and the overall experience. So let's break down the pros and cons. The pros: deeply nourishing. The rice extract really delivers on its promise to repair and strengthen. Improves manageability. My hair felt smoother and the split ends were less noticeable over time. Great scent. Light, floral fragrance that's not overpowering. The cons? Price. It's definitely on the higher end. Maybe too rich for oily hair. If you have oily hair, you might need to use it sparingly. Scent? Some may find the floral scent a little too much if you prefer something subtler. As for value, I'd say this shampoo offers solid performance that justifies the price for those with dry, damaged hair. The nourishing benefits are noticeable, and I'd consider it an investment if you're trying to repair or maintain healthier-looking hair. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are other shampoos that offer similar benefits at a lower cost. When comparing this shampoo to other high-end products in the same category, it certainly stands out for its luxurious feel and repair benefits, especially if you're seeking something more specialized. But if you're not in the market for a splurge, there are alternatives that offer deep conditioning with a more moderate price tag. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels premium, which is exactly what you'd expect from a luxury brand. The shampoo bottle is easy to use and sturdy, which ensures it's travel-friendly. The formula itself, like most Shu Uemura products, seems to have a long shelf life, especially since a little goes a long way. Now, the question many of us ask, does it live up to its claims? For those with severely damaged or dry hair, this product is definitely worth considering. The repair benefits are real, and the overall texture and feel of your hair improve with continued use. If you're looking for something to restore vitality to your strands, this might just be the reset your hair needs. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover our honest reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you reviews like this one. Before I sign off, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Shu Uemura's Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Shampoo? Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.